Hey everyone, and welcome back to Homeideas channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to a truly special place, Bawa House, a stunning and sustainable home nestled in the heart of Bali. Located in the charming village of Prefabricated, Bawa House isn't just a home, it's a testament to sustainable living. Once a barren plot of land, this project has breathed new life into the area. Natural building materials and a flourishing garden have completely transformed the space. Notice how the house sits on stilts, mirroring the traditional architecture of the neighborhood. This approach celebrates the local style while minimizing the impact on the land. Bawa House is all about living in harmony with nature. Built with the environment in mind, Bawa House utilizes prefabricated elements and responsibly sourced materials. Wood, a natural carbon storage material, features prominently throughout the construction. The use of a modular system with steel structures not only speeds up construction, but also reduces waste and lowers the home's carbon footprint. It's design that meets eco-consciousness. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a minimalist haven. The open layout features a central living area, 3 bedrooms, and an office, each one designed to seamlessly connect with the outdoors. Solid walls are kept to a minimum, replaced by expansive sliding doors and floor-to-ceiling windows. This allows natural light to flood the space, creating a sense of openness and connection with the surrounding greenery. Elevated wooden walkways weave between the buildings, extending the living area and amplifying the feeling of spaciousness. Bawa House isn't just a single structure, it's a collection of buildings positioned at different heights. This playful approach creates a dynamic perspective across the plot. The spaces between the buildings are filled with lush plants and trees, making the house feel as though it's floating in a sea of green. The vertical gardens not only enhance the aesthetics but also attract wildlife and create a microclimate that naturally cools the house during hot months. Bawa House is more than just a home, it's a statement. In a time of rapid development, this project stands as a beacon of sustainability, proving that modern living can coexist with the environment and local community. It's a tranquil oasis amidst the vibrant energy of southern Bali. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the beautiful and sustainable Bawa House. If you're looking for inspiration for an eco-friendly home or simply love stunning architecture, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing homes around the world, and we'll see you on the next adventure.